Hi guys everywhere. In this video I will teach you how to solve equations in one variable. I will start first with the most easy four ideas examples in solving equations. Then we will mix them to get harder or longer examples, and we will see that it's easier than you think. Solving equations, I will give you the first example. If we have x plus 2 equals 5, if you are in year 7, you will think that you can get it mentally which number we can add to 2 to get 5, and you will say quickly it's 3. But we need now to know a new method or a mechanism to solve this equation, and we need to know how to solve harder equations, so you cannot follow the guessing or mentally solve the equation. So to know this is equation, and we have two equal sides at the beginning. The left side is x plus 2, a number added 2. Then we have the value that should be, which is 5. Before you think, I need you to know that to solve equation I need x, or the variable, sorry, the unknown here, to be alone in one side. So your first mission is to isolate the x alone. So if you want to isolate x alone in this side, you need to send the positive 2 to the other side. When you send it, or you change its side, you will make it with a different sign. So the opposite here to plus 2 will be in the other side negative 2. I will tell you again. You have x plus 2. The inverse of plus 2 will be in the other side negative 2 to isolate x in one side. So this will be x in the left side, and you sent the 2 to the other side after the 5. It was positive 2, it will be here negative 2. You need to do this and write this in your solution. Don't make it in your head. Now x equals, what's 5 minus 2? It's 3. So we send the addition to the other side to be subtraction with the same value. The second example, if you have x minus 5 equals 2. As you did before, you need to send the negative 5 to the other side with a different or the opposite operation, which is positive 5. Now you will let this x in the left hand side, and the right side it will be 2 plus 5. So now x equals 7. So you can tell me now, if you have addition, you will send it to be subtraction on the other side. If it was subtraction, it will be addition in the other side. Okay, what operations that we have else? We have multiplication, like 2x equals 10. The same, the opposite of multiplication will be division. So as you think, this will be x, and you will send 2 to the other side with different or the opposite operation, the inverse of the multiplication, which is division. So it will be 10 over 2 in one step. The second step, it will be x equals, what's 10 over 2? It's 5. Okay, so multiplication will be turned to division. What if it was division, like x over 3 equals 5? What's the inverse of the division? This is division here. To send the division to the other side, it will be multiplication. So it will be x, and the 5 will be multiplied by 3, so x will be 15. So as you know, the inverse of each operation, division will be multiplication, multiplication will be division. So now you know the first four simple and easy examples of solving equations in one unknown. Now I will mix them together to do harder. For example, I will have 2x plus 3, for example, equals 11. So as you see, you have here multiplication and you have addition. As you know, the addition will be subtraction on the other side. Multiplying will be dividing on the right side. So which one you should start with? Which one should you start with? You will think you can do division first, or you can do addition first, but actually to do one of them first, you need to know everything about multiplication, everything about addition. So I will tell you as a student in year 7 that you should first start with addition. You will send the addition first to the other side. So keep this as it is one component. So write 2x equals 11. Positive 3 will be here, negative 3. Then get the result. It will be 2x equals 8. Now it's easier, as you know, because 2x equals 8. Now you can divide by 2 in both sides, so it will be 8 over 2. So x equals 4. So here you will start with the thing with addition or multiplication. Number 2, if it's 2x, we can change it. 3x minus 7 equals 8. So we will start also with this. So keep this. 3x equals 8, and this is negative 7, it will be plus 7 here. Next step, what's the result of 8 plus 7? It's 15. Next step, divide by 3, so x equals 15 over 3, so x equals 5. This is the simple and easy examples for solving unknowns in one variable. What if it was division, for example? X over 3 plus 2 equals 5 equals 6. I'm trying to not to make you confused. Then you will keep the first x over 3 and you will send this to the other side. It will be 6 minus 2, so x over 3 will be 4. So what's x over 3 equals 4? Now you will send the division. As you know, division to the other side will be multiplication. So x equals 4 multiply 3, now it's 12. What should you do if you found an example like this? 2x over 3 or 2 over 3x plus or equal 8. What do you think? Should we start with multiplication? Should we start with division? Both are right, and you can do them in one step. How? I told you everything here, you will send it to the opposite on the other side. So keep x here, and it's 8. It's here 2 over 3. You will send it to the other side, it will be 3 over 2. The inverse, okay? This is the inverse. So what's down goes up, what's up goes down, to be 3 over 2. Now it's 8 over 2, 4 multiplied 3 is 12, or 8 multiplied 3, 24 over 2 equals 12. I will, I think this is enough to know the easiest idea about solving equations in one variable. Then I will put the second part with some ideas of collecting like terms first, or expanding first, or division fractions, and so on. But in this will be next video, inshallah. I hope you understand everything. I hope I made everything better for you to solve by yourself. Thank you for watching.